If you followed my previous production, you will observe that the way I'm raising these ones is quite different. Yeah, and what is actually the difference? The difference is the way I administer my medication to them. For the previous one, I gave them medication the second day of stocking them, but in this case, I'm going to be waiting for like up to 8 days before I can administer any vaccine to them. And I'm going to be starting with Lassa vaccination. So far, the turkey and the chicken, they are doing fine. They are doing fine, and we have recorded one casualty because even the day I was bringing them, they were beaten by the rain. So I think that is part of what led to the death of that other one. But otherwise, the other ones here, they are doing fine, and I tried to check their poop. Everything seems normal. On the first day of bringing them to the farm, I gave them glucose because they were stressed out. I bought those birds from Ibadan, and my farm is here in Ilorin, so on the road they were stressed, and the anti-stress I can give them at that moment is glucose. So I gave them glucose in 4 liters of water. I added 1 teaspoon of glucose. So for the day 2 now, I started antibiotics for them, and the antibiotics I use is oxytetracycline, the one in sachets, not for human being this time around, for the poultry, for the livestock. That is the one I'm using. And today is the last day for them to use that medication because tomorrow will make the 8th of bringing these birds to the farm. So on the first day, when I weighed this chicken, when I newly brought them to the farm, most of them, they are weighing less than 50 kg. Less than 50 grams, both the turkey and the broilers. But by tomorrow, when I'll be giving them the Lassa vaccination, I'm going to be giving them the vaccination, then I'm going to be weighing them as well. I'm going to be weighing them. And in case you want to know the amount of vaccine I'm going to administer to these 150 thereabouts, I'll be giving them 200 doses of Lassa. The same thing we go for Gumboro. So just make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you get notified every time I upload newer videos. Take a look. They are doing fine.